Hello, my name's Jay. I'm here to talk about reports in Training Hub. There are two new reports available, and you can access them through the Admin Console. Right below the Training Admin Resources, you'll see a new section called Training Hub Reports with the two reports, Learner Status by Course and Course Section Enrollment. Let's look at the Learner Status by Course report. So here's the Learner Status by Course. It's a Tableau report. It doesn't really matter, but that's what's running the reporting system. It's connected to the data warehouse, and it will update daily in the morning. This one updated at 3:02 a.m. It has a whole bunch of filters. They're all live and connected, so you can drill into any course or look at groups of people in courses and things like that. And then there's date range filters below that, so you can choose to only look at certain enrolled dates, only certain due dates, or only completion dates. So let me set one up. I will choose my training administration group, the OIT End User Support Services. And then here is an overview of all of the OIT End User Support Services training. There's a pie chart showing me the active, complete, incomplete withdrawals. Down below, there's a table of all the users. And like I said, I can drill into any of these things up in the top. So if I want to look at just one course, and there's my Analytics Finance course. Orange is completions, gray incomplete, and blue enrolled. And if I want to look at just one section, this is the one I taught yesterday, and so there's the information about that. Down at the bottom of the window are little widgets that you can interact with the report. So if you want to revert back to the beginning, basically just clear out any filters you've applied. The refresh will not work because it's automatically updated once a day. It's not connected to a live system. I can create different views. So if I wanted to save this view, I could choose to make a new view, and this would be my UMA course, and save that. And then instead of using the filters at the top, I could just open up this view, save myself a couple clicks. And if I want to download the data, I would select the table and then download, and I can choose to download it as an image, so just a PNG. The data, which would be the raw data. Crosstab would be an Excel-y type workbook. PDF, of course, is a PDF, and then Tableau workbook. The data, if I click that, it's only showing me the first 26 rows. When I click download, it'll download all the data. But here is just the summary level. If I click on full data, I'll just get more columns. And so that's the learner status by course. The other report, I'll return to the admin console. And in the Training Hub reports section, I will choose course section enrollment to open that report. So here's the course section enrollment. It'll just tell me totals for every section and course. I have some filters at the top. Once I choose some, then I'll have some options to look at just certain date ranges. So again, for administered by, I'm going to choose my training administration group, the OIT End User Support Services. And then it's a very similar report. So here's all of my End User Support Services courses and sections. I can see enrollment, completions, withdrawals, and wait lists. And then for the date selectors, if I want to just see people that enrolled this week in courses, I would select something like that, maybe 6/7 to 6/15. And then choose the drop down and only view the values in this range. And so this would be the enrollment activity for this week, from 6/7 to 6/15. And then here is the completed range, same type of thing if I just want to see completions this week. Let's see, there was a class yesterday, so I'll do that. And then only the values in this range. And so there are the completions for this week, or actually since the beginning of June. Again, there's the buttons at the bottom, so I can revert back to the beginning, basically clear out any filters I have. There is the view option, so if I have something set up and I want to save that view, again, just saving myself a few clicks. And then download, if I choose to select the table, click download, and then I can choose either data or crosstab to get the data if you just want the images, the image or PDF. But again, the data would give you all the information in the table. And then full data would give you down to the detail. So that's it, just those two reports I want to show you. They're both very similar, so the behavior is the same. There is a knowledge base article in the self-help guide. So if you want some instructions on what these reports do, and that's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.